Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. Open your favorite browser, search for kali.org, hit enter, download. You can download installer image and also virtual machine. I want to install virtual machine in this video. Select virtual machine. Here we have Kali Linux for different virtual machine like VirtualBox, Hyper-V or VMware. In this video I want to install on VMware. Download VMware, click on download. It will take a few moments, depend on your network. When you download Kali Linux, open this PC, come to download. Here I have Kali Linux 2025.2. Copy this image. You can install or you can put it anywhere you want. I want to make one folder here and paste this Kali here. It is Kali 2 for me. I want to paste here. Now extract this file, right click, come to show more option. You can extract with WinRAR and also with 7-zip, anyone you want. Here I have WinRAR, I want to extract with WinRAR, extract here. This step will take a few moments to extract these files. When you extract Kali Linux, in this step you need to open VMware Workstation. If you don't have already installed VMware Workstation, I have a separate video for downloading and installing VMware Workstation Pro. You can find the link of this video on the description. Here I have two machines. I want to create other also. Come to Home. Click on Open a new virtual machine. Find your folder where you extract your Kali Linux. Open this folder or open the extract folder. Here you will see this file Kali Linux 2025.0 VMware-AMD 64. It is .vmx. Select it, open. Now here I have Linux 1. I want to rename it to Linux 2. Okay. In this step you can manage your settings. 2 gig memory is enough. 4 processor, 80 gig hard disk. It is by default on NAT adapter. If you want, you can change one by one. For example, 2 gig RAM is not enough for me. I want to select 3, or you can select more than 3 if you have. If you don't have more processor, you can select 2. 2 is also enough. Then click on OK. Then click on power on this virtual machine or click in this blue button. With this method, you don't need to install Call Linux like image. Just you open the Call Linux file, it will start working. Now enter your username, it is Colleen. Password is also Colleen. It is default username and password. Login. Now you successfully install Call Linux. Guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.